Hello everyone, I'm here to show you very quickly how to rewire a standard 240 volt 13 amp 3-pin plug. Same kind of, we use them in the UK here all over the place. This might seem very simple to a lot of people here, but not everyone has someone to tell them how to do this, so very simple. This one broke. I shattered it by accident because I'm a bit of a plonker. So here we go, I'll show you how. So when we take the back off the plug, this bit here, you'll see there's normally a little screw hole in the middle there, that one. You take that off and the back comes off. My screw hole wasn't there because it broke. Then when you open it up, you will find that in there like that. Oops, sorry. That in there like that. So you can see we've got blue to the left, brown to the right, earth up the top. There will also be that little bit that clamps the main cable coming in there. See that with these two screws at the bottom? You undo those, undo, undo. And then to release this, you undo these little screws here, and pop it all out. And this is how my dad taught me how to do it. And this is how I'm going to teach you how to do it. Try and remember it. So it's left, blue to the left, bright, brown to the right, earth, just go to the top because it's the only one left. So pretty easy. So you get your new plug. Here we go, new plug. Remember, left, blue to the left, in there, bright, brown to the right, in there, and earth in the top there. So again, we'll undo these little bits here. These little screws. We slide the whole cable up underneath this little white bit here, that little bar that goes across there that clamps down over the cable. So we slide that up underneath, and then we pop these ends into there, and this one, which has just fallen out, and then we screw them up, fairly easy, and then the top goes back on, like that, over there, and that screws back in there. Very simple. I'll just do that quickly. Left, blue to the left. And bright, brown to the right. Back in with that fuse, bit in there, and finally, earth up to the top. Open that up. Make sure there's no straggly wires. Pop them in. Make sure it's connecting the wire, not the plastic sheath. Okay, pop them in. Now, You do want to make sure, if you can see this, that these wires are not sat on top of any of these plastic bits, because when that top goes back on, it can crush the wires between the plastic bits. So they've got to be down in this channel and out of the way, not on top of any of these bits, okay? Pretty straightforward, very simple. Pop them back in there. Do him up. You can just use a normal hand screwdriver for this. I'm just using this because it's a little bit quicker. But you don't want to do it up too tight, just clamps that cable in. They're all done. Double check these cables are down in those channels, not out on the plastic where they can get pinched. Pop that back on. There we go. Do the central screw up. Lovely, all done easy peasy. Nothing to worry about.